In this video, I'll show you how to upload and edit DOC, PPT and XLS files directly in Canva so you can redesign and customize them easily. First, go to canva.com and log in to your account. From your home page, click Upload in the top right corner or simply drag and drop your file straight onto the Canva dashboard. You can upload Word files, PowerPoint presentations, and Excel spreadsheets. Once uploaded, Canva will automatically convert the file into an editable design. This may take a few seconds for larger files. After the file finishes processing, click on it to open it in the editor. If you uploaded a Word document, you can now edit the text, change fonts, adjust spacing, add images, and apply Canva templates to improve the layout. If you uploaded a PowerPoint file, each slide will appear as an editable page. You can update text, replace images, add animations, and even apply new slide templates from Canva's library. If you uploaded an Excel file, Canva will convert your data into tables or charts. You can click on any chart to edit the data, adjust colors, or change the chart type to better match your design. Once you've made your edits, click Share in the top right, then choose Download. You can export your file as PDF, PPTX, or other available formats depending on your needs. And that's it. That's how you upload and edit DOC, PPT, and XLS files in Canva. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more easy Canva tutorials.